নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে আজকের এপিসোড নাম্বার 96। আজকেরটা কিন্তু একটু মিক্স ব্যাগ কালেকশন দেখাচ্ছি। আমি ফার্স্ট টাইম এরকম দেখাচ্ছি কারণ শোরুমে না এরকম নানান রকম কিছু সিগনেচার কালেকশন শাড়ি আছে যেটা মানে খুব লিমিটেড এডিশন, একদম সিগনেচার কালেকশন, যেটা একটা একটা করে পিস অথচ ভীষণ এক্সক্লুসিভ, ভীষণ আনকমন। তো ওইগুলো মিলিয়ে একটা ব্রাইডাল কালেকশন হতে পারে বা আপনাদের ওয়ার্ড্রোবের একটা অন্যতম কালেকশন হতে পারে, এরকম একটা এপিসোড আজকে দেখতে থাকুন মন দিয়ে। প্রত্যেকটা শাড়ি ভীষণ এক্সক্লুসিভ, খুব মানে অনেক সময় নিয়ে চিন্তা ভাবনা করে করা হয়েছে, ডিজাইনার লুক অথচ কিন্তু ট্র্যাডিশনাল। এটা আমি প্রত্যেকটা ফ্যাব্রিকও আমাকে বলতে হবে। আই ওয়ান্ট টু টেল ইউ অ্যাবাউট দ্য ইচ অ্যান্ড এভরি ফ্যাব্রিক অলসো। দিস ইজ পিওর লিনেন টাসার, পিওর লিনেন টাসার with Upara woven border. See the color combination. See the pallu. 10,300 rupees. 10,300, product number 1. It's a big pallu, and let me show you the back part. The border has not been attached on top of the sari. We have cut out this part of the sari and then attach the border separately so that the sari is not at all heavy. So you can see the border, but it is attached. It's absolutely a cut piece designer concept sari. See the upper part, I've kept it sober color combination. At the same time, the pleat part will be mint green color, a very unique combination. And even though this is Upara and it's half and half concept with, see, the woven blouse piece. These are Chanderi Uparas. This is the blouse piece. So this is the sari. And when you will wear it with a sea green blouse, and here is the pallu. Very lightweight. Yeah, let me tell you, this is not the silk by silk Upara, otherwise it wouldn't be in this range. But the upper, this part, it's in pure fabric. The pleat part, it's in silk Chanderi Upara, but not the real Zari Upara, which starts from 25,000, not those. So you can understand from the price, but it's overall a grand look sari and a very unique color combination. So that goes number 1. Now another interesting sari. So these, you know, when I travel, I had the privilege of traveling to now the last almost 1.5 years. Traveling is almost nil. But when I used to travel to the interiors of India, in the rural suburbs where they have very exclusive artisans, the craftsmen and the weavers, to see the beauty of the sari. It's a pure raw silk Banarasi. This is a anti-copper zari, and here it's also gold zari temple weave. It's an absolutely stunning sari itself. On that, I was, what will be done, what can be done to keep the border and the sari very classy. So I thought I would do this digital kalamkari print. This is a beautiful, see the combination, the sari. Very subtle, but at the same time these are very elegant and classy because this fabric itself is just wow. 11,900 rupees. 11,900. See the woven temple border in dual color zari and very sober pure silk digital kalamkari. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. It's in silk kora. It's a beautiful fabric sari, textured sari, but not joint. Similar one. It's in Ganga Jamuna, Kanjivaram. pallu 11,500. Red and navy. I remember this weaver, he had such lovely color combination in these kanjivarams. For you can wear definitely same as the sari, but this print, we always think of doing something different so that the traditional saris look unique. See the blouse piece, absolutely an off color combination, but when you wear it with this border, see how well it blends. Pure silk with digital kalamkari. Number 4, from the land of Benares, antique zari Tassar Banarasi. Now these are what I usually sell Tassar Banarasi sarees, same fabric but without any buta. So of course when the karigar doesn't charge very much for the buta, so I thought then if you sell a expensive sari without any buta and a solid color, maybe it won't be worth it. So I thought of printing this very fine kalamkari print, digital throughout the sari. So this gives a, it's a black with these colors, subtle colors. The body is something different, but at the same time the border, just see the border, antique, absolutely antique zari, but such lovely neat finish, all hand karwal weave, all karwa weaves. Today I'll be explaining a bit too much maybe, because this is really worth the weaver's credit. This is the blouse piece. Just take the screenshot of the product, all single piece, 12,900. 12,900 with blouse piece. I'll show you 3 lovely elegant colors. Similar one, pure Tassar Banarasi, which you can check out our other videos. Same fabric, same Tassar Banarasi, but without buta. Instead of the buta, I've done the digital printing. So the price comes out to the same thing because it's all pure fabric and all similar kind of weave. You can check out the pallu also, 12,900, product number 5 in a beautiful sober color combination. This is the blouse piece. I'm sure it's looking very grand. I myself is feeling like a queen with this. Even this, I think the blouse is also matching well with this saree. Every saree has a story, and I remember even if I see somebody wearing a saree which was, maybe she has bought it from me 20 years back, I can understand that it's Sanskriti product, because every saree has my personal touch, my personal feeling is involved, my thought process, the way of course it's a teamwork, but so much involvement in each of the products. So it's very close to my heart. 12,900. And I don't have any, basically any, I haven't done any studies in fashion designing or anything. It's just from experience, from the weavers meeting, that just from the raw information, raw what can I say, direct from the weavers and the embroiders, the tatis, the tailors. This is another lovely shade of Pista Banarasi antique zari with kalamkari printing done on it. Actually, this color zari, it's going so well with the combinations. It's very rich. I wish I could have done more, but all single piece. Now see, number 7, 12,500. This is so interesting. Pure silk tissue linen body, okay, with the full body will have jamdani thread work. See, it seems as if it's woven, but no, it's fully embroidered. And again, jamdani muslin pallu. These are pure hand woven from the land of Bengal. Product number 7, 12,500. Muslin jamdani pallu with tassels, and keeping the jamdani weave of the pallu in mind, we have decided on this jamdani thread work, which matches the pallu, and the border part matches with the, the pallu part. The border embroidery matches with the pallu part, and zigzag embroidery throughout. Now comes the contrast white blouse. Please wear it with this blouse. What a different combination it will be. The white blouse, why? Because see, the jamdani weave, when you wear it with this, the pallu and the blouse will be very good matching. Yes, 12,500 rupees. Number 8, another very classy combination, all pastels. So I usually show very bright colors, so these are all in pastel taste, so that in day and night you can wear in any complexion, any age, and these are timeless, they'll never go out of fashion. 12,500, product number 8. Just see the jamdani weave in the, this is pure muslin, silk muslin with jamdani weave in the pallu and the hand made tassel, thread work, pastels. Soft baby pink color blouse piece. Again matching with the pallu and border design. Actually the sari, the weavers, I mean, we have so much, we designers in Kolkata or in India, we have so much variation, so much. We are blessed to have such rich fabrics from every state. So it's not, it's very easy for us to, when we see a fabric, it's very easy for us to understand what can be done on it, because we are blessed to have such lovely craft karigars and weavers in our country. Silk kota with raw silk, digital printed ikat border. On top of that, it has a zardozi border. The back part. Price 7,700. Pallu. Gold print polka dot throughout the sari. Silk kota 7700 with tissue linen blouse piece. It has a brocade gold blouse piece. $7,700. Price, this is 9,600. Pure tussar. With again gold print, just tiny dots. This is in silk zari embroidery. These flowers are in zari work. Here goes another Zardozi border on top of it to give it a neat finish. This is the pallu part. And again, check out the color combination. It's a very grand combination. Since the body color is very sober, the border is a bit bright, but this is a very uncommon color combination. It's emerald green. With silk green blouse piece. Tissue, silk tissue in gold with, I'll just show you this way because it will reflect, just see the work. Ari with sequins work in gold only, gold on gold throughout the sari. It's like it's a actually tissue organza. With, I've just attached multicolor tassels. I've not disturbed the sari because it's a lovely shade of gold, not very shiny but at the same time very it gives a rich look. 9,950 rupees. Just take the screenshot of the product along with the description and send it to any one of the number which is provided. Once the confirmation has been done, then the shipping will be done. You will be given a business account, bank details. This is the gold sari and the blouse piece. It's a fully thread work blouse piece in geometric design katha. So here this matches with the tassels. So when you wear it with this blouse and the tassel combination, very sober look. You can wear these, if you go to any formal wear, so you can wear the neck piece that I am wearing. It can be increased further, and it has this beautiful jhumka also along with this. It's a lovely jhumka, pair of jhumka along with the neck piece. See how well the work, very premium quality finish. From close you will understand how well the finish is. 6,500 for the jewelry price, and the sari I have already told you, just take 9,950 rupees. Just take the screenshot of the product, single piece, so please be sure before you book. Take your time, watch the video and then book. Extremely soft sari, very soft, so comfortable. Silk linen, and see the color combination, tone on tone in peach, what can you say, this is mauve and onion pink color combination, pale rose pink color combination. Kalamkari print has been done with sequins woven. You can see the box sequence has been woven while the weaver was weaving the sari. How interesting. The back part. From Bengal, pallu, 8,900 sari price, 8,900. How sober. And I can just feel the fabric. It's so soft and it's featherweight. Even though it's sequins and a big pallu, but still it's so soft and comfortable fabric. And here goes the blouse piece. Baby pink in solid color. This is the blouse piece. All signature pieces. You will just love the products, I think. I mean, I'm loving showing it to you, so I'm sure you will love watching the video. Light fudge color. Very tasteful sari. Yeah, I just told fudge, so and I'm feeling hungry. Fudge chocolates, and I said tasty. Yeah, very tastefully done sari. 8,900 rupees. See the way I'm just so delicate, soft, dreamy. Sustainable fabric. See the blouse piece. This is the color. It has a tissue weave, okay? But again, let me tell you, these are not very shiny tissues, very sober. It just has a light, highlighting effect. Now something again different. Kanjivaram with Madhubani digital printing. See the pure silk temple woven border, one side broad and one side narrower, with figure motif bird and flower, sober print throughout. Madhubani, I'll show you how beautiful the print is. Pallu. $11,500. With blouse piece. Pure silk sari. Grand look. Soft without embroidery but very, very gorgeous. Number 15. Again another Kanjivaram with digital. Silk Kanjivaram with emerald green printing. Can be an exclusive bridal collection. And the Kanjivaram border it's a dual tone Rani with orange and with gold temple. No black. Throughout it has self-tone monotone printing in emerald green body. Pallu. See the original Kanjivaram, you can understand. Pattu. 17,500 rupees. 17,500. So this is a lovely piece in green and Rani combination with contrast blouse piece. This is the natural color sari blouse which I have not disturbed. So you can see I've dared to do a printing in a Kanjivaram. I mean, I don't know if you would like it, but I think this is looking grand, isn't it? At least from front, I think it's looking nice. This is a absolutely stunning, gorgeous sari. Very soft. It's a dual tone Rani orange Kanjivaram. I'll show you very closely the border. The stunning weave from south. See the back side. Absolutely hand woven. Not a single thread is out. So good finish, the edges, the blending. And now the pallu. See the pallu. 18,500 rupees, product number 16. 18,500. Pure silk Kanjivaram with digital flower clusters. See. একদম অন্যরকম। আমাদের এমনি কাঞ্জিভারাম তো থাকেই বড্রোপে, কিন্তু এই রকম একটু অ্যাডিশনাল অ্যাড অন করলে না একটু লুকটা একদম অন্যরকম আসে, একদম আলাদা টাইপের। আর আমি খুব একটা কিছু জ্যাবরা বা কিছু করিনি, জাস্ট লিটল ক্লাস্টার্স অফ ডিজিটাল ভেরি সোবার প্রিন্টেড ফ্লাওয়ার করেছি। আর পুরো শাড়িটার ইটসেলফ এই ডুয়াল টোনটা এত আনকমন, এত সুন্দর, আর কোয়ালিটি মানে কোনো কথা হবে না কোয়ালিটি নিয়ে। রানিং ব্লাউজ, ওকে, সেম রানিং ব্লাউজ পিস। It's a beautiful sari. I mean, just lovely. If you like the products, please leave a comment. Please like, share and subscribe to get regular notifications. In case still you don't get any notifications, or if you want to know what will be the next video on, then please like our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. The link is already provided. So once you like the product, once you like the Facebook page, the notifications of the next video will be uploaded a day before. Usually it's between 10 to 10:30 in the morning. Now this is a pure silk Pochampalli. See the border, you can understand pure pattu. This is pure Pochampalli Ikkat weave. It has a tissue with the Ikkat also. Gorgeous sari, see the back side. All hand woven. See the pallu. 17,500. 17,500 rupees. Pure Ikkat Pochampalli. Very soft. See the print on top of that. It just seems like a painting. It's a watercolor painting kind of a print. This is the blouse piece. This is the back side. This is the blouse piece. Pure silk zari border blouse piece in Rani, and this is the sari. Stunning, gorgeous, beautiful, dreamy effect, and see the colors. This is digital printing and so many colors have been used in the print. It just seemed as if it's a watercolor effect on canvas. Stunning art. And you wear it with the Rani blouse, it will really look very pretty. So you can understand these are all single pieces product. Now another very very interesting sari. This too I have myself. This is in pure Georgette Banarasi. See, it's pure Georgette. Georgette Banarasi in gold color, woven pallu in gold again. Now again I'll show you the back part. Total finishing is done. This is the weave, you can understand the weave. Again I have not attached this border on top of it. I've just cut out this border, this part of the sari, and then attached another chikankari, ari chikankari work. This is thread work, fully thread work with hand woven Georgette Banarasi. This part I've cut it out, and then this chikan work embroidery material, after doing the embroidery, this has been attached. This is the pallu, this is the finish of the product. It can be absolutely a bridal collection. Now this is the original sari, which the upper part I have cut it off. See, gold Georgette Banarasi, hand woven. You can see the blouse. The blouse piece, see, so upper part will be embroidered, the pleat part will be woven, the pallu will be woven, the blouse piece will be woven. Price 24,500 rupees, 24,500. Once again I'll show you the work. Close up of the work. Number 19. Grey color Kora Banarasi, grey color silk Kora, tissue Kora. With zari embroidery. Pure silk Kora or organza, you can say. Now I'll show you closely the embroidery in the border. This Meena booty seems very rich. You know, it seems as if it's a Banarasi woven, but it's totally thread work. And here comes the pallu, even in the form of a Banarasi weave. Again, I'll show you the back part. This part has been cut off and this part has been attached. So nothing on top of a product. See, even the border. This is the back part. So this is where the finishing lies, and these finishing carpet is quite expensive, because if we don't do good proper finishing, lot of damages in the sari is done, and then you have to have the best of tailors to do this cutting and stitching, finishing. It's very very difficult work and very time consuming also. See the color, actually the color is also very gorgeous. The blouse remains the same, tissue color. This is the actual color of the sari, you can understand now. This is the actual color and this is the blouse piece. Okay, this price is number 19, 13,900 rupees. 13,900. Now another gorgeous rich color sari, black of course, and it's in silk organza, 10,900. It's a party wear sari. in jet black. Firstly, I'll show you the work. It's totally hand Zardozi hand work with French knot and kardana mal. Beautiful work in gold, copperish gold in jet black. Now you can understand the work. $10,900, a beautiful latkan in corner. Throughout buta. Blouse piece. Crepe, pure crepe blouse piece with Zardozi work in the back and the sleeves. Zardozi back, sleeves, pure crepe. Grand sari. Now something about what I am wearing. Pure tussar, digital printing, kalamkari, and of course I'll show you I thought of showing you just 1 minute. I'll just show you this border, how the border was attached in this. See the back part, the finish of the Zardozi. See? Okay. So my sari, this is in pure tussar, very soft quality, and see the border work, Doria work. This is the back part, finish, piping, and now the grand pallu. So rich. This is muted print with this Doria embroidered pallu throughout the sari. See? And this sari will have a same blouse piece black with the border. The sari same black with the border blouse piece, and the price is the sari, this price, if I don't remember the price of this sari will be mentioned in the description part, or you can just take the screenshot of the product and then WhatsApp me. I'll tell you the exact price of the sari. And now comes the one the mannequin is wearing. This is in Dupion silk with Zardozi handwork. 5,990 rupees in Rani and black color blouse piece with the border contrast. Black piping, it's a Rani and black combination. It's a gorgeous rich sari. Similar colors have been shown in previous episodes like bottle green and red, white and red, black and red, green and red. So we have more color options in this, but I don't know if it's ready right now. You can check out the previous episodes for bridal collection. For then you can check out more colors in this. This is 5,990 rupees. Thank you so much. Please keep watching.